welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, hi, my name is Nina. So for today's video is me dyeing my hair color blue, and the products that I will be using is from Btch company. Actually messaged them na I wanna be their brand ambassador because one is maganda yung name nila, ang witty kasi, and then I like their products. Hindi lang dyes yung binibenta nila. They have nails, conditioner for your hair, and some tattoos. And they asked me what dyes I will be using for their products. So this is their package. So ito yung makikita nyo if you order. And then when you open it, they have this one. So ito yung sinasabi ko earlier, mga tattoos nila. They have a lot of designs as well. So yun. And then they also have nails. I told you guys, may nails sila. They have a lot of designs. I forgot kung ano, pero I got this one lang. Kasi I don't like super long nails kasi may contacts ako. So, ito lang kaya ko. Ito lang kaya ng powers ko. So, this is their conditioner. So, the one that I have is Reconstructor Conditioner for dry and damaged hair. Because my hair is super dry and super damaged. So, I need this. Thank you, Btch. And then, they have 7 conditioners as well. You can check them out on their account or in my link down below. And then, the best part is, these two. So, I'm very active on Instagram. And I asked my followers, ano yung gusto nilang hair dye na gagawin ko. And I had a poll, pink or blue. And then they chose, you know, you guessed it, blue. So we're gonna do blue, pero not just one, but 2. If you're not familiar with the brand, you always have to do test run as well. Actually said this in my previous video. And ang sinasabi ko doon is, you should do test run kasi baka may allergic reaction ka or baka hindi tatabla yung color, you have to bleach it again, mga ganon. So, ako, I was contemplating kung magbi-bleach ba ako or not kasi if I bleach it again, ano ba yun, I think magfo-fall out na siya. So, I don't wanna do that. I don't wanna risk bleaching again because whenever I bleach, every year lang, I don't bleach every month. So, yon. So, I did a test run kaya may blue dito. So, ito siya. So, ito yung mangyayari sa hair ko. I did this, siguro, recently lang. So, ito yung magiging itsura niya. So, may purple siya, if nakikita nyo. Then, blue. Tapos, magkaka-green. So, kaya siya naging purple because of this. Kaya, hinalo ko siya ng Sapphire. Naging blue siya. Ay, naging purple siya. And then, sa ends is emerald. So, that's what I will do, diba? So, first, what you need is obviously dyes. Yeah, dyes. From Btch company. And then, brush. Pero sometimes kasi, tinatamad na ako mag-brush. Kinakamay ko na lang. Pero right now, I bought gloves again. Sana mag-fit. Kasi the last time I dyed my hair, hindi nag-fit kaya naiinis ako. So, eto. Let's do it. Gloves, brush. It's a must. I'm gonna do another method, siguro. Parang eto sa likod. So, ang ginawa ko, I separated the back and the front. Para makita nyo din kung paano ako magkulay. First time ko lang ito gagawin, so ang first kong gagawin is, para hindi maghalo yung kulay, is first yung blue, Sapphire. So, the first thing that I will do is Sapphire first sa roots, then the end is emerald. Ang bango niya. Amoy bubble gum! So, ito yung ginagawa ko. applying the dye. Then, I think this is 1 hour. It didn't say in the tub, pero I'll put it in 1 hour. So guys, I just took a bath and then nakita ko siya sa shower. It doesn't really, hindi siya nagsistrip off yung color. Para nagsistick talaga. So, I'm gonna take it out. I used the conditioner of Btch, the Reconstructor I forgot. Let's see kung ano itsura niya pag dry na. Look, naging blue siya. This is the color that I put. Yung blue is here sa top, and then yung emerald is in the end. So, yung mga nakikita nyong light, yun yung emerald. Thank you again, Btch. And I'm really excited sa mga ibang hair colors nyo. I wanna experiment all your hair dyes in the near future. I hope you like this video, and please like and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you'll get notified when I have new video.